Welcome to part 2 of this special report on the recent Court of Appeal ruling on election results. Okay. Now the big question here is this ruling by the Court of Appeal. Does it finally make our presidential elections rig-proof? Yeah, impossible to rig even if somebody wanted to rig them? I'm afraid the answer to that question is no. The elections can still be fiddled with. However, this ruling means that our elections are going to be much more freer and much harder to rig than ever before. In 2007, controversial 2007, we saw returning officers add a 1 at the beginning of results, or a 0 at the end, yeah, or even several zeros, yeah, which completely changes the results, so that a loser who got 1,300 votes, yeah, defeats a winner who got 12,000 votes, and it's done very simply by just adding a 0 at the end of the 1,300. So suddenly the losers got 13,000 votes, and the real winner has only 12,000 votes. That's really what it was and what it has been, yeah. But the High Court ruling now means that changing those results is criminal. Adding a 0 or adding a 1 is criminal. And it should be, because I don't need to remind you, the last time somebody puts zeros like that and ones in front of results, we ended up spilling so much blood in the country. It ended up in such serious bloodshed. Yeah. So it's a serious issue, this thing. Now back to original question, is this election rig-proof? Hell no. Ballot boxes can still be stuffed, yeah, with the votes of non-existent voters, or even with votes of people already dead. We know currently the register has got over 1 million dead people still, still registered and ready to vote. Very interesting. Now we have been told that Jubilee are going to appeal this decision very urgently. They claim through Mwangi Kinjiri, who's the devolution CS, that allowing the poll station to be the final decision maker will cause confusion, it will cause chaos. I still don't see how, but that's according to him. So they've gone to court, seeking urgent redress. Now, there's something else fascinating here. We're very close to an election. Everybody knows that. And then here's one of the main contenders to that election. Instead of focusing on campaigning, instead of focusing on the current convincing of voters, are spending the valuable time contesting something which is in the Constitution. Yeah? That really has a lot of question marks written over it. The fact that Jubilee and IBC are on the same page, reading from exactly the same script, should be a very worrying thing for Kenyans. This is Kumekucha. Until next time.